everyone! Today I'm thrilled to share with you the ultimate guide to making the most mouth-watering butterscotch cake. This recipe is a game changer and I promise your taste buds will thank you. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of buttermilk. And for that irresistible butterscotch sauce, grab 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of heavy cream, a 1/4 cup of butter, and a pinch of salt. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grease a 9-inch cake pan and line it with parchment paper. Trust me, this makes your life a whole lot easier when it's time to take out the cake. Now, whisk together your flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a bowl. In another bowl, cream the butter and brown sugar until it's fluffy and light. This can take about 2 to 3 minutes, so be patient, it's worth it. Next, add your eggs, 1 at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Once these are well combined, it's time to alternate, adding your flour mixture and buttermilk into the creamed butter, starting and ending with the flour. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Pop it into the oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While that's baking, let's make the star of the show, the butterscotch sauce. In a saucepan, combine brown sugar, heavy cream, butter, and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. Once it boils, reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes until thickened. Then, set it aside to cool. When your cake is done, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, turn it out onto a wire rack. Drizzle it generously with the butterscotch sauce while it's still warm. And there you have it, a butterscotch cake that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party or just treating yourself, this cake is bound to impress. Enjoy the baking and even more, enjoy the eating. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!